5 ways how green tea helped me lose weight. Green tea is made from non-oxidized leaves and is one of the less processed types of tea. It therefore contains the most antioxidants and beneficial polyphenols. The benefits of green tea have been expounded by many dietitians and nutritionists in the domain of weight loss. Please like and subscribe. Here are some ways in which green tea is useful for weight loss. 1. Targets bad fat. Green tea works in small ways, and very slowly. But what counts as the fat it targets? The effect of drinking green tea is mostly on the harmful fat that builds up around organs. Drinking green tea for weight loss is a great idea and it works. But the results are quite slow and modest. To get the maximum benefits of drinking green tea, one must complement regimen of regular exercise, and a healthy diet with it. 2. Works harder when working out. It is important to understand that every weight loss supplement has some element of tea in it. It has a special purpose. Green tea has been shown to enhance the effects of exercise. That means it acts as a catalyst in the process of attaining fitness. Please like and subscribe. 3. Caffeine fights fats. Green tea contains a lot of power in its hot, flavored waters. It contains bioactive substances like caffeine and EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which work directly on metabolism. It burns fat and improving energy levels. 4. Burns calories. We must know that our body is using up calories all the time. Whether you're sitting, sleeping or standing, everything minute action requires energy. And that energy comes from burning calories. Drinking green tea boosts the calorie burning capacity of the body by 3 to 4%, which amounts to about 60 to 80 calories in a day. This in turn helps in weight reduction by fat loss and no muscle loss. 5. Reduce calorie intake. There are many cases where people go on a binge diet while denying their body food. This results in sudden piling up of all the denied food in the later stage. Drinking green tea does the same, but works much slower and in a more natural way by reducing your appetite slightly. This means, you automatically eat less without suffering from the accompanying cravings. Thus this gradually acts like a magic for people who have a strong urge to have tasty or high-calorie food. Please like and subscribe.